Hi, I'm Katie. I'm 33 years old and I'm here for Ultherapy today. I did have Ultherapy just over a year ago and it was fantastic. The change in my jawline and the sculpting of my face, everyone was noticing and commenting on it. And now that I'm that bit older, I've also had a baby. I can definitely see, some changes, some aging. So I'm trying to treat my sleep deprivation and get that lovely jawline back and maintain what I've got for as long as I possibly can without doing too much that's drastically going to change what I look like. I just want to enhance everything that I've got. So the reason I love Ultherapy is because it's a walk-in, walk-out treatment. I don't need any downtime. So you can see I'm dressed for my Pilates class tonight. So I'm here, I'm going to have the treatment, I'm going to leave here and go and carry on with my day because there's no downtime. So last time I had Ultherapy, I didn't know what to expect, but this time I do. And it was the months after the treatment where I started to notice all these different benefits popping up, and the tightness and the firmness, the sculpting in my skin. People were complimenting me, and it was over those months it just got better and better, and it lasted well over a year. People were complimenting me and noticing the differences, building and building. So I'm looking forward to seeing those benefits start to come.
Ultherapy is a skin tightening treatment that uses ultrasound to heat up the connective tissues to achieve skin lifting and tightening. The treatment itself takes about an hour to an hour and a half, depending on which areas we're treating. For Katie, she felt that after she had had her child, she had had some skin laxity through her lower face, and particularly she felt like her jawline wasn't as well defined as it used to be.